Hi, my name is Joe Thrasher. I'm one of the co-owners and lead tech of the BMW side of the garage. I always had a knack for tinkering on things when I was a kid, and I ended up at the ACC Automotive program where I completed their associate's degree in automotive. And then from there I got hired on by John Beasley at the dealer, and we did real well together, and now we're here. We are running some specials. If you didn't get our mail-in flyer, feel free to ask about it. We always do a free vehicle checkover and fault survey to figure out what's going on with the vehicle. We're also doing $25 off of any $100 or more purchase, $50 off of any $250 or more purchase, and $100 off of any $750 or more purchase. We're also doing $79.95 synthetic oil services with free checkover.